Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the extension installed and the design asset ready, so open the target web page and pin Pixel Perfect in the toolbar. Click the extension to load your PNG or JPG overlay. Choose the file and set the viewport width to match your design. Once done, toggle opacity to about 50% so you can see both layers. Make sure page zoom is 100% and device emulation is off. This prevents scale mismatch and gets you a true pixel alignment starting point. Now you'll align the overlay to the live DOM. Drag the image into position and switch to keyboard arrow nudges for 1 pixel corrections. This gives exact alignment. Then fine-tune scale and rotation if the design differs. Use the extension scale slider and rotation handle while watching key UI elements. Once elements line up, lock the layer to prevent accidental moves. If you're testing multiple breakpoints, add separate overlays for each width so you can flip between designs quickly. Finish by hiding the overlay and taking final screenshots for QA and developer handoff. This preserves the live state without the guide. Save your overlay as a preset so the same settings load later or share it with teammates. If things look off, check 3 common causes: browser zoom not 100%, device pixel ratio affecting scaling, or responsive CSS shifting layout. If you hit that, reset zoom, check DPR in DevTools, and reapply the overlay preset to restore pixel perfect alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.